The all-new Videum ADC, your all-day companion. ADC helps you through the day, breakfast, lunch, tiffin and dinner done easy. With its wide array of features, ADC delivers all-day power and performance to keep up with the demands of your kitchen. The all-purpose 2-liter stainless steel multi-chef is designed to make your cooking experience enjoyable. Salads in seconds, bhaji in a jiffy, a flurry of curries, crispy thin chips, all this and more using your thick and thin slicers. Great for your raitas, alwas and curries, no worries. Chop non-stop. Want to make some bread instead? Not just that. Make soft chapatis, yummy parathas, pizza base and much more. Using the multi-chef will never be a bore. Feeling thirsty? A healthy glass of citrus juice made just like that. Juice fruits and vegetables. Blend and liquidize mouth-watering smoothies, milkshakes, lassis and creamy pesto. Extract coconut milk and tamarind. All this with your super juicer and blender. The versatile 1.5-liter master jar for super quick grinding. The 1-liter multi-jar for dry and wet grinding of scrumptious spices. Flavorful chutneys, ginger garlic paste in an instant with your 0.5-liter marble jar. No matter the time of day, ADC keeps delicious food coming your way. Videum ADC, your all-day companion.
Presenting the Prestige Iris Mixer Grinder in white and blue color. It comes with 3 stainless steel jars and 1 juicer jar. It has a powerful 750 watt motor to perform all kinds of heavy grinding and blending functions in the kitchen. It comes with a motor overload protector switch that ensures safety for your appliance. The main unit of the mixer grinder is made of ABS plastic. It comes with 3 stainless steel jars and a transparent juicer jar for all grinding, blending and juicing needs. The stainless steel jars are rust resistant and can be washed and wiped easily. The easy grip handles are sturdy and are made of durable plastic that prevents slippage. The mixer grinder has a multifunction blade system with stainless steel blades that makes blending and grinding an easy task. The cylindrical shape of the mixer grinder makes it compact, and the 3-speed setting with whip function allows you to control the speed of the motor according to your need and preference. The Prestige Iris Mixer Grinder comes with 2 years warranty. You can pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10-day replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For delivery and installation, please refer to the product detail page. Prime members get free delivery. For further information, visit the product detail page.
Butterfly present Jet Elite Mixer Grinder with 4 jars. It has aesthetically designed ABS body that provides durability and stability. The 750 watt powerful motor allows you to grind and blend tough food ingredients. The motor is enabled with auto cutoff function against overload. This feature ensures long life of the motor. The special ventilator prevents the motor from heating. It has sturdy handles for better grip. Ergonomically designed, polycarbonate transparent blender jar is unbreakable. Pusher and fine mesh are available for filtration and helps you to segregate seeds and dry pulp for fine juice extraction. It comes with 3 stainless steel jars that are equipped with fixed razor-sharp blades for different grinding applications. The transparent polycarbonate lid allows you to monitor the grinding process until you get your preferred output. The 3-speed level setting allows you to choose different speed levels depending upon the application need. The vacuum rubber shoes help in keeping the appliance in place by preventing it from moving or sliding while in use. Visit the product detail page to know more about warranty, installation, scheduled delivery and EMI options.
Presenting WonderChef NutriBlend Juicer Mixer Grinder with 400 watts power. This juicer mixer grinder is available in 5 color variants: black, purple, white, red and champagne. This juicer mixer grinder comes with 2 interchangeable jars. The long jar is 500 mm and short jar is 300 mm. It has 2 interchangeable sharp blades, 1 grinding blade and 1 blending blade. The WonderChef juicer mixer grinder is steady and safe to use with non-skid rubber footing. This product comes with 2 years brand warranty. You can avail EMI options and pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10-day return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For delivery and installation, please refer to product detail page. Prime members get free delivery. For further information, visit the product detail page.
Welcome to the demo of Bajaj REX 500. New multi-purpose Bajaj REX 500 fulfills the need of mixing, juicing and grinding. It is designed to perform various functions that makes cooking efficient and effortless. Chutney jar. Chutney jar is used to make home blend of masalas and favorite pastes. Place the jar on the main body unit of the mixer. Add all the ingredients to the jar to make hummus. Ensure that you cover the jar with lid and plug the mixer in. Remember, the substance to be ground should not be too large in size. And hummus is ready. Liquidizing jar. This jar is used to perform blending and liquidizing operations to make delicious lassi or milkshake. It is also used for puring purpose. Fill the jar with pieces of banana. Add some milk to the jar. Put the dome cap on. Turn the mixer on and serve the milkshake thick and chilled. Wet or dry grinding. Attach the jar to the main body unit of the mixer. Add in all the ingredients that needs to be ground. Ensure that the jar is covered by the flat lid. And with the turn of the mixer knob, masala will be ready. Use Bajaj REX 500 for effortless grinding and mixing and make something awesome today.
Presenting the Bajaj GX1 mixer grinder with 3 jars that is easy to use and helps you make the cooking process speedier. It comes with a 500-watt motor that is powerful enough to carry out all grinding and blending tasks in the kitchen. It is also equipped with an automatic shut-off feature and a motor overload protector that ensures safety for your appliance. The GX1 mixer grinder comes with 3 sturdy stainless steel jars for liquidizing, wet and dry grinding and chutney making. The liquidizing jar comes with an easy grip handle. The mixer grinder has a multifunction blade system with super sharp blades that makes chopping, mincing, grinding and blending an easy task. The appliance has an elegant design that boasts of sturdiness. The 3-speed setting with incher allows you to control the speed of the motor according to your needs and preference. The Bajaj mixer grinder comes with a 1-year brand warranty. You can pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10-day replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For delivery and installation, please refer to product detail page. Prime members get free delivery. For further information, visit the product detail page.